Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore a fascinating topic that has been causing headaches for many developers and database administrators out there. If you're working with RDS, Postgres, and Debezium connectors, you might have encountered an issue that seems almost impossible to resolve. That's right. We're talking about how RDS Postgres auto recovery breaks Debezium connectors. In this video, we'll delve into the reasons behind this problem, explain what happens under the hood, and provide a clear understanding of the concepts involved. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a solid grasp of why this issue occurs and how to approach similar problems in the future. To understand why RDS Postgres auto recovery breaks Debezium connectors, we need to dive into some fundamental concepts. Let's start with Debezium, which is an open source project that provides change data capture, CDC, for various databases, including Postgres. The idea behind CDC is simple yet powerful. Instead of querying the database repeatedly for changes, you can tap into the database's transaction log and capture changes as they happen. Now, let's consider RDS Postgres, Amazon's managed relational database service. One of its features is auto-recovery, which allows the database to recover automatically from certain types of failures or crashes. While this feature seems like a blessing for high availability, it can sometimes have unintended consequences. The problem occurs when Debezium connectors are used with RDS Postgres. When the database goes through an auto-recovery process, it can reset or modify some internal states that Debezium relies on to track changes. This reset can cause Debezium to lose its position in the transaction log or even become desynchronized with the database. Think of it like a reader trying to keep up with a writer who is adding new pages to a book at an incredible pace. If the reader takes a break and comes back, they might find that some pages have been added or removed without their knowledge, making it impossible for them to continue reading from where they left off. Similarly, Debezium connectors can become confused when RDS Postgres auto recovery modifies the transaction log in unexpected ways. This confusion leads to errors and breaks the CDC process. To recap the essential points, Debezium provides change data capture for databases like Postgres by tapping into the database's transaction log. RDS Postgres auto-recovery can sometimes reset or modify internal states that Debezium relies on. This reset can cause Debezium connectors to lose their position in the transaction log or become desynchronized with the database, leading to errors and breaking the CDC process. In understanding how RDS Postgres auto recovery breaks Debezium connectors requires diving into the world of change data capture and the intricacies of managed databases. By grasping these concepts, you're better equipped to handle similar issues in your development or administrative work. If you have questions about this topic or any others related to databases in CDC, please don't hesitate to ask them in the comments section below. Your engagement is what drives us to keep exploring more topics like this one. Also, if you found this explanation helpful, consider liking this video and subscribing for more content on database management, technology, and related topics. Thanks for watching. On current age, non-birth, non-weight, but with you, but here.